Welcome, guys. Today we're going to talk about the dollar index. If you look at the market structure itself, you can see that market has made a major move from the top of the year. We pick here. Now market is making a correction. So market is now looking for momentum to move. Now looking at the dollar index, we are likely to fill this gap. Okay, but if you look at here, market has made the first major move. We have taken these orders, so market is looking for momentum to carry on. And looking at the daily, we have a nice order block here, which we haven't got any rejection blocks here, and we haven't broken this order block. So this week we are expecting dollar index to move up. And if the dollar index is going to move up, we might likely to come and take this top in the long term. So what do? We're going to keep looking for the buyers. So we are going to put our buyers on top of the other blocks. Okay. Fundamentally speaking, due to the COVID-19 and other section, there is no much momentum in the market. So we're going to put buyers orders here. Buyers order, buy order lines. So we will be looking to place our buy order line there. So we're going to buy the breakout, because if you look at it, we have some key gaps. Market has created some gaps inside here where it has to fill this gap. Okay, market has to fill this gap. Market has to come and fill these gaps. So as far as these gaps are not filled, it can make a little low to come and test the previous day lows or the weekly ranging. Then we're gonna kick on. So as far as we are concerned, we are looking for the buyers. Okay. So if you look at this, that means dollar index is going to get stronger. Then let's look at the Euro USD and GU. So we're gonna go to Euro USD first. And if you look at the Euro USD, we are also looking for downside. So probably we are going to get this a little bit of move up. 50% of this rejection block, I'll be expecting this order. This is the order block I saw here, and market hasn't get enough momentum. So we're gonna box it off. Okay. So market is residing in between these order blocks. So what do? We are waiting for breakout. This has to come to 1 hour time frame. We are looking for our sell setup. So we are looking for market to come and give us this move up to this level between here, somewhere a bit up, to give us a little bit crossover or ranging up a little. But I'm expecting market to turn off between this range. Any moment from here, any of this price market can turn down. Okay, so you can wait for double tops here. You get the correction, we take, so it's a short-term buy here. We can just kick off from here straight away, because that was previous day strength. So I'm taking the momentum of the previous day. I'm not expecting market to break this top. But because of the Asian range, any news can drive it up by fundamental. We're still going to get this downside. This could be an expanding flat for wave A, B, and the C. They will come down. Okay, so keep your eyes on this pair for the downside. So this is the euro dollar. We can look for euro card also, which is showing us very interesting pair, very interesting setup also for the euro card. If you look at the euro card, we are expecting the market to be driven up to this level. Okay, market need to come to this level, sell order area, so it will screw up. And when you look at the daily, we are in the daily range. It's been ranging here for a couple of 2-3 weeks now that we have been looking at it. So we are looking at this to finish the range. You can see we are in the weekly range between the top and the bottom. Okay, so we are expecting market to move up a bit to the 50% of this rejection blocks or this other block. Then we're gonna drop down. okay, for the weakness of the euro. As we see that the dollar index is going to get stronger, the euro get weaker, okay? So we use such fundamentals to work on our way to trade the euro and the dollar, okay? So I will take these 2 trades and I will stop the recording as I was just doing this short daily. So we can take this back to 4-hour time frame, get the market to reach this price of 1.53067, okay? We can look for your sell setup there. This price, market can drop any given time from here, okay? So keep your eyes there, and then let's go to 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, we are looking for market to drop down, to move up, to pick the liquidity. It's looking for liquidity, okay? So we can wait for market to pick these liquidities between 414 and the 50%. We are more likely to hit down there and then return. So keep your eyes on this price for tomorrow or this week and see. Your sell limit can be there, and let's take over. If you have any question, anything, just send me a direct message on my Telegram or my Facebook or my YouTube. And see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye.